You are God's selfie. Think about it. You're made in the image of God. But the average person will take that as meaning a physical image. That's because through religion, we've been taught that God is like a human being. That idea has been part of the abuse of Christianity. Those in power have chosen the image. But the truth is, the image that we are is not physical. The kingdom of God is within you. That's the image you reflect. The kingdom is actually a code word for imagination. It's only because most of us don't understand what imagination is, and we believe it's not real or hallucinations. Everything in the universe was created from the kingdom of God. Understand that I'm using the religious terminology because most of us understand it conceptually. But religion limits the concept. So I'm hoping you will expand the idea of God and its kingdom. The image is the ability of the Creator within you, not what you look like. It's the ability to go within and create the world outside of you. The imagination is not a hallucination. It's a preview of what will be projected into your world. By analogy and not literal, that's what the Creator did to create the universe. On your level of existence, you have that same exact ability. You just never realized it. When ancient Africans said that you are gods, it was not an arrogant statement. It was logical that the Creator created from what it is, and therefore infused all of creation with a piece of itself as an aspect of you. If you only think the image is the one in the mirror, you will be limited, powerless, and brainwashed. You are unlimited. You are God in human form, awakening to who you truly are. You're God's selfie in the flesh. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.